Well, in this video, I will going to show you how I made my pure veg khichdi, which is very healthy, tasty, yummy and very easy to cook. I have enjoyed my pure veg khichdi with pumpkin pakora or pumpkin fulori, which I have also shared in my channel. It is perfect for festival also, friends. So for this, I took 2 to 3 pointed ground, 1 chopped carrot, chopped pumpkin, few chopped beans and 2 green chilies. I am adding some mustard oil, almost 2 to 3 spoon of mustard oil in a karai to fry the vegetables. Add salt as per taste, a little bit of haldi and mix well with all the masalas and the veggies. On the next gas, I placed my cooker and adding 500 ml of drinking water and let it boil. On the other hand, I have soaked 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of moong dal and little bit of dalia. Isn't it very healthy? Yes. Now I will be adding all of these in my boiled water in the cooker. Next, add salt as per taste, haldi a little bit of red chili powder for color, little bit of jeera or cumin powder, little bit of dhania powder or coriander and mix all of this very well. Grind some ginger. Now I am adding my fried veggies in the cooker with rice, moong dal and dalia too. Next, in a tadka pan, I am adding 2 spoon of ghee and in that ghee, for the tadka, I have added dry chili, bay leaf and the grated ginger and let it fry. It will give you a yummy aroma and taste too. And next, check, I am adding my fried tadka. Now, close the lid and wait for 3 to 4 whistle. Now wait for 3 to 4 whistle to cook. And then, isn't it looking yummy, colorful, aromatic? I'm just checking over here that whether it has cooked properly or not, and yeah, it cooked absolutely yummy. Now I'm serving in my plate. So friends, hope you all enjoyed my easiest and simplest way of cooking. Yes friends, I always try to share my easiest, simplest way of cooking because nowadays no one is having much time to cook. Just like me, everyone is busy.